Okay, after a complete teardown and repair, this H-16-44 is back together. Seems to work really good now. It turned out there's a little cap on the top of the truck tower that had either popped loose in shipping or wasn't properly seated. I don't know which, but it was a pretty easy fix once I got inside the thing. The whole procedure is written up in a thread on the Model Railroad Hobbyist. If you search H-16-44 review and teardown, you'll find it. I'm not very good at doing these videos, so I don't know if this will work the way I want it to or not. But I'm trying the manual notching out here. Much better now. There's a fair bit of information in the teardown thread and on a bunch of different things. There's several posts in there that go into some details. So hopefully people will find it useful. That's all she wrote on this one for now, at least. Good night.